Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to recover your Facebook account suspended in 180 days. So there is only one option to solve this problem. And I know it's frustrating to get that account suspended or banned for 180 days. That's going to be almost 3 months, right? So please follow this step-by-step guide. And again, this is the only step that you can do to really recover your account earlier than 180 days. So what we want to do right now is open up your browser. You can choose Google Chrome or Safari. I'm going to go for Google Chrome right there. And basically for this one, I'm going to type here, Facebook Help Center. So with this one, I know it seems that it's obvious to go Help Center, but there are some keys here. Some key items that you need to click to really help you out. So don't really click anything here. Don't press anything. Go straight on the article. So basically for this one, I'm going to type in Facebook disabled. With that being said, and look for articles that's going to be aligning with your problem. So the first thing you want to do right now is reactivate your Facebook account, or my Facebook account is suspended or disabled. So you want to click on either one right there. You can also click on the third one, but for me, I'm going to click on the first one. So if you click on the first one right there, it will explain how you got suspended. And on the lower side right here, it will ask if this is helpful. I'm going to click no right there. I'm going to click other. And basically, they're going to ask me to click and say more. In here, I'm going to type in here, please help. Something like that. My FB account has been disabled. Basically, explain them. Tell them what's going on. Tell them it's a mistake. Simply click on submit and you'll be good to go. Now, next one. Going back on the search bar right there, I'm going to type in here Facebook feedback. Alright? Once you have this one right there, click it. And basically, we're trying to give Facebook a feedback. So basically, enter your email right there, the one associated with your disabled Facebook account. And the same drill right here, please select a feature. And this one right here, of course, we're going to select a Facebook. That's not going to be around here, so I'm going to go for privacy. That's one right there. And basically, click here for your feedback and tell them what's going on. Again, that would be please help unblock my account. And basically tell them what's wrong. Tell them it's going to be a mistake to block you. Basically click on send. And that's it. Wait for at least 3 business days and you're going to get your account back. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.